Are you considering studying in the UK? Look no further than Royal Holloway University, one of the larger colleges that are part of the University of London. Here are just a few reasons why Royal Holloway University should be at the top of your list. First, if you complete your first year at Royal Holloway University, you can transfer to universities in the USA and Canada. After 2 years of study, you can get a work placement as part of your studies. Royal Holloway University is one of the top 30 universities in the UK, with computer science standing at third place for graduate careers after 15 months. It's no wonder that Royal Holloway secured the first position for its exceptional teaching quality. And with a top ranking for student experience, you can be sure you'll enjoy your time here. The campus itself is over 130 years old, with a rich history and stunning architecture. And if you're traveling from far away, you'll be pleased to know that Heathrow Airport is just 7 miles away from this location. So why wait? Choose Royal Holloway University for world-class education and an unforgettable experience.